Hello all the warriors, this is Roy, welcome to Arena, and today I'm going to show you about the North American Uncut version Twin Class pivot bumpers. And then in the video I'm also going to show you the new LG Arena style front bumpers. Alright, so let's start today's video, let's go. Okay, so basically this car is the Twin Class and Uncut version, and it's basically for the design for the LA race for the Twin Class, because for the Twin Class they are allowed to cut the chassis for the roller, the spot for the front bumpers, so left and right. So those two you are be able to cut it for your rollers. So that's the LA rules. And basically the front pivot setup Uncut version is very simple. I don't really think I need to take it off and show you guys what it looks like, because I can straight explain like this. So here you can see I have the extension plate for the MS extension plate, and you can see here I have two, so I make a 3mm. Okay, and then for these two plates are most important plates, because you can see here this is basically this plate and this one, they both are same. It's basically from the MS Evo kit, the front bumpers. So I have two of them right over here, so that I be able to just mount on the side here. You can see the screws and just connect to this extension plate, and then on this side I just do a countersunk screws, like countersunk hole, and put the screws and put the spacer and connect with the rubber O-rings, so you'll be able to do like the pivot like this. Okay, maybe the people will ask, what is this for? Actually, because I was trying to make a pivot, but it has to be uncut. So I know the moving distance is like not that big, but it's uncut version, so it's something better than nothing, right? And then you can see the Tamiya tape is right over there, because I want to make the front has like the angles on it, so that's why I put the tapes at the bottom, and you can make the plate has a little bit angles. So this is how I do the pivot uncut version. And also this one, of course, I make as the brake plate, so it's very simple. And for this plate, how I mount it is, you can see from here, you can see this spot over here. I just do another countersunk and put the screws from this side and under and tie it at the chassis, so this plate can straight mount on the chassis. So this is how I made the pivot uncut version. And of course this is the first version that I made, and like you guys know, lately I'm working on the LG bumpers, so which means is here you can see the question mark. This is what I just made it for the LG bumper Arena style for the front bumpers. So here I'm gonna show you a little bit example and see how the movement that is. So this one, it can move backward, and you can also do the sliding. Okay, and also has the AT. Okay, but this is the guarantee the North American style uncut versions. All right, but this one, if you're interested on this kind of Arena style front LG bumpers, please give a like button on this video. And if there's a Chinese and English version total has 200 likes, I will take this off and show you the detail about this, and also give you the detail and show you the trick how to make the Arena style LG front bumpers. Alright, so this is today's quick video. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Alright, thank you so much. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away. Thank you, I'll see you next time.